Hello traders, welcome to new weekly Forex ideas video. I'm going to share with you my own analysis for the next trading week to help you find the best trading opportunities. Let's start with the British Pound versus the USD. This pair has been in an uptrend since last August. But for a while now it has been trading in the range between support level 1.2960 and resistance level 1.32. And during the last trading week, price finally broke lower from weekly support 1.2960. Personally, I will be waiting for a buy signal in the direction of the uptrend at the next support level 1.2775 area. We can see that this level acted as support with those lows over here and previously with those highs as resistance. So this level should be a good area to look for a buy signal, as it should attract buyers over here to join the uptrend and retest 1.2960 as new resistance. Next we have the Australian dollar versus the USD. I mentioned in last week's video, although that this market is trading at a 10-year low with this weekly support here at 0.6675, I'm still cautious of buying this market since it looks very bearish for me and it's been in a long-term downtrend for quite some time now. And I mentioned in order to stay with the trend, then ideally we should wait for a pullback to weekly resistance 0.6755 and short the market after a price action signal. And we got exactly the pullback. From over here we got the pullback, then inside bar signal at 0.6755 area, followed by a short drop back to long-term support. Now for the next week, if we got a break lower through the support area, then I will want to see a daily close beyond this level and then a slow pullback to 0.6675. Then look to short this market after a price action signal. So we need a close beyond this level and then a slow pullback to avoid any fast false breaks for this weekly support area. However, if price just bounced back from this level one more time, then I will look to short this market again at 0.6755 one more time after a price action signal, or even higher at 0.6850 to join the overall downtrend. Next we have the New Zealand dollar versus the Japanese yen. We can see from the weekly time frame that this pair has been on a long-term downtrend. Same for the daily time frame. We can see that this pair is always trading lower. So ideally we want to only find sell signals in this market to stay with the trend and have a high probability trade. During the last week, price made a sharp drop from this inside bar signal under daily resistance 71.25. I personally took this trade last week, and price is now approaching weekly support level 69.90 area. So for the next week, either wait for a pullback to daily resistance one more time to sell this market back to 69.90, or wait for a break lower from support 69.90 and a daily close below this level, then a slow pullback for it to hold as new resistance, and then sell this market after a price action signal to join the overall dominant downtrend. In that case, our next support level will be at 69.00. We can see that this level acted as support with those lows over here. Finally, we have the euro versus the Swiss franc. We can see from the weekly time frame that this pair has been on a long-term downtrend. So ideally, we want to search for sell signals to stay with dominant trend and have high probability trades. On the daily time frame, price is currently sitting on a weekly support level 1.0665, and it's making some rejections for the support area so far. So a pullback is more likely to happen. Personally, I will be waiting for a pullback to weekly resistance 1.0815 and look for a sell signal to short this market. We can see that this level held as support with those lows over here. Then we got a strong breakout lower from this area. So this area should be a good place to attract seller one more time and join the dominant trend. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, Please like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.